Hello everyone, and welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of balcony transformations with our video on beautiful balcony grill design ideas. Whether you're revamping a small urban apartment or enhancing a spacious home balcony, the right grill design can blend safety, style, and functionality seamlessly. Balcony grills aren't just barriers, they're statement pieces that elevate your outdoor space. In this video, we'll explore 10 stunning ideas, from modern minimalism to intricate traditional motifs. Stick around till the end for tips on choosing the perfect design for your home. Let's get started. Modern minimalist grill. First up, modern minimalist grills. These feature clean lines and simple geometric patterns, perfect for contemporary homes. Opt for horizontal or vertical bars in matte black or silver finishes to create an illusion of more space. They're low maintenance and provide unobstructed views, making your balcony feel airy and open. Pair them with potted plants for a fresh, urban vibe. 2. Wrought iron elegance. If you love timeless charm, wrought iron grills are a classic choice. Intricate swirls, floral motifs, or vine-like patterns add a touch of Victorian elegance. These are durable against weather and can be customized in colors like antique bronze or white. Ideal for heritage homes, they turn your balcony into a romantic retreat. Imagine sipping coffee amid blooming creepers climbing the grills. 3. Glass and metal fusion. For a sleek, modern twist, consider glass integrated grills. Tempered glass panels framed in aluminum or steel offer safety without blocking sunlight or views. This design is great for high-rise apartments, providing a seamless indoor-outdoor flow. Add frosted edges for privacy or LED strips for nighttime glow, turning your balcony into a luminous haven. 4. Wooden grill accents. Bring warmth with wooden grill designs. Teak or bamboo slats woven into metal frames create a rustic yet sophisticated look. These are eco-friendly and blend well with natural surroundings, like garden balconies. Ensure weatherproofing with sealants to maintain longevity. They're perfect for cozy seating areas, evoking a cabin in the city feel. 5. Laser cut patterns. Laser cut grills are all about precision and artistry. Custom patterns, think abstract geometrics, nature-inspired leaves, or cultural motifs, add personality. Made from mild steel or aluminum, they're lightweight and easy to install. This idea suits creative homeowners who want their balcony to reflect personal style, perhaps with backlighting for dramatic shadows at dusk. 6. Vertical garden grills. Combine functionality with greenery using vertical garden grills. These incorporate pockets for plants or trellises for climbers like ivy. Not only do they enhance privacy and air quality, but they also soften the industrial look of metal. Eco-conscious. This is your go-to for sustainable balcony designs that bloom year-round. 7. Folding or sliding grills. For flexible spaces, folding or sliding grills offer versatility. They can open up for panoramic views or close for security. Aluminum tracks make them smooth and space-saving, ideal for small balconies. Add smart locks for modern convenience, making your outdoor area adaptable for parties or quiet evenings. 8. Art Deco inspirations. Channel the glamour of Art Deco with bold, symmetrical grills featuring sunbursts or chevrons. In metallic finishes like gold or chrome, they add luxury to upscale homes. These designs are eye-catching and pair well with vintage furniture, creating a balcony that's both functional and a conversation starter. 9. Industrial mesh styles. Embrace urban edge with industrial mesh grills. Perforated metal sheets or wire meshes provide ventilation and a raw, factory-inspired aesthetic. Powder-coated for rust resistance, they're budget-friendly and customizable in hole patterns. Great for lofts or modern condos, they keep things secure while allowing breeze flow. 10. Custom-themed grills. Finally, go bespoke with custom-themed grills. Whether nautical anchors for coastal vibes or geometric mandalas for zen spaces, tailor them to your lifestyle. Work with local artisans for unique touches, ensuring compliance with safety standards like height and spacing. Conclusion and tips. There you have it, 10 beautiful balcony grill design ideas to inspire your next project.